What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy and I'm back for another video. Before we even start with this video, I need you to do me a favor, man. I need you to hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Just hit the subscribe button before you even start watching this video. You know what I'm saying? Are you done? Are you done hitting it? Okay, if you're done, let's get to the video, man. DDG moonwalking in Calabasas. I'm gonna be recreating the beat. You know me, man. I'm gonna be recreating the beat because it's like one of the simplest beat I've ever heard. You know what I'm saying? It's just an easy beat. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, why not do it? You know what I'm saying? So you better hit the subscribe button for me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's get to the video. Okay, also we are now in FL Studio, and I'm gonna break it down to you guys. You know what I'm saying? First things first, we have this classic acoustic guitar. You know what I'm saying? That's like the main melody on the beat. So let me play it for you guys so that you guys can hear it. It goes like then next we have drums, and these are just easy drums. As you can see, just a basic kick, a couple of hi-hats. You know, it's actually one hi-hat and a snare. Let me play the drums all together. Fire, ne? So next up we have an 808. You know what I'm saying? Let me play it for you guys. And that's pretty much it. You know, I'm gonna play everything for you guys. Are you guys ready? If you're ready, just comment down below and be like, I'm ready. Okay, go and comment. I'm waiting for you. Let me play everything for you guys. Thank I hope that you guys have liked the video. No cap. If you really enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'm out.